Hi. Let's start creating our DEX formulas. So one of the most widely and commonly used DEX formula in Power BI is using calculate function. So what calculate really does is it evaluates an expression by modifying our expression based on certain filters. Suppose I have my products here. It consists of they have certain kinds of sales and they have a deal size. So large, medium or small, something like that. So what my need here is, suppose I want to see the sales of my those products whose deal size is large. So I can do that by creating a measure. That's what calculate function really does. It evaluates our expression based on the certain filters of our need. So let me name it large deal or something like that. I'll add use calculate here. So I want to see the sum of my sales, so I'll add sum and put my sales column up here. And now you can see after comma it is asking me to apply the certain kind of filters. So my filter here will be to add a deal size equal to large. So I'll use inverted commas because it is of type string. Make sure that whenever you're applying these kind of filters, so if it is of type string, do use inverted commas, and if it is of type numeric, you can directly put the numbers there. So now this is my calculate column has been created. Just simply press enter. So now you can see here classic car is having large, motorcycles are having large deal, planes are having one large deal with this particular amount of sales. So I'll just remove this one and add large deal. There you go. So classic cars, motorcycles, planes, which we have just showed you, only those are seen here with the in the large deal. So that's how calculate works. So when you will start working on you applying your own DEX formulas, you will find this is really very important function, because you can apply as many what you can say filters up here to modify your expression. So in calculate you can use if or a loop of if and all those functions in the calculate itself, and in the end you can apply the filters as per your need. So it's a real this it was just a basic example up here. If you have any kind of queries or just any kind of doubt related to calculate, just ask me in the QA section. I have just showed you how to really easily you can use calculate formula. So that's how it works. So we'll continue in the next lecture, and we will be seeing one of the most widely and important functions in DAX, which is time intelligence, in our next lectures. Thank you.